Today, we're going to talk about iDrive.
Trailbenders Overland is a Stalker Media production and proudly sponsored by Tough Stuff Overland, the WaterPORT, General Tire, CBI, and supported by Castyworks, California Wraps, Dave Smith Motors, Action Tracks, Core 4x4, and What If Survival.
What's up, Bender fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing video of the iDrive, also an install on a 2012 Ram 1500. Let's get started. These guys have built a really good reputation, and I'm curious to see what the fuss is about. When we open up the box, you'll find your iDrive controller, your adapter, your surface wipes, banger stickers, and then also your instruction manual. This installation is going to be a quick one. Ensure that your vehicle has been sitting in the off position for 10 minutes. Next, you're going to grab your iDrive controller and your wind booster adapter, and you're going to plug this in just like that. Now that we're under the dash, we're going to disconnect and plug in the adapter. And this connector goes back into the stock plug. Just like that. So now you're just going to run your wires however you like. For now, this is how I'm going to do it. Now take the surface wipe and just clean off the area that you intend to put the controller on. And all you have to do now is just stick it where you'd like. So you have three modes. You have your eco mode to save you gas, you have your ultimate mode to give you the most power, and then you have an automatic control mode which fluctuates between the two. So there you have it. That installation only took about 5 minutes. I'll put a link in the description below where you can go to iDrive's website and see all the vehicles that are compatible with this product. Also, big shout out to iDrive for sending us this. Stay tuned for a review video. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. Consider being part of the Bender fam by subscribing to our YouTube channel and hitting the notification bell for that review video. This is Steven from Trailbenders Overland, out. And all you have to do now is just stick it where you'd like. Dang.
I guess it's not coming on.
It's all right. Oh, it wasn't.
Oh, it's just a sticker.
I got him. Put that in the end.